What's up guys, hope you're doing fine, and for your daily motorcycle hype, welcome back to Slice Bikes. So today I have an unboxing video for y'all, and it's the pretty much hyped, I think, ALPINESTARS X TVS collab for apparel like caps, sweatshirts, hoodies, and I couldn't resist myself and had to get my hands on an ALPINESTARS product and just went straight to the TVS website and bought this. So without wasting any time, let's just get into the unboxing. So this is it guys. The quality is damn good. The texture, the thickness of the material is really good. So I'll wear it on for today and go on a ride on my Aprilia RS457 and constantly give you my review about how it feels and how comfortable it is. So right off the bat, the sweatshirt is damn comfortable. It's so breathable. Over that, the weather is so charming and so pretty. You know, it's bright and not so sunny though. It's a nice day, nice rainy type day, but it's not raining, it's really dry. Perfect weather to ride motorcycle in India. But you never know when the rains are gonna start and when you're gonna get drenched and when your bike is gonna get dirty. So I better reach my location as soon as possible. It's damn comfortable, bro, not even lying. For the cost, for 1900, you know, it's a splendid job. The material is so good. The material is so good. The thickness of the material is so perfect. The mixture of the, you know, materials is perfect, and it's breathable as hell. I mean, I can feel the wind passing through. Maybe not that rainproof. You'll get wet. It'll get wet. It'll get soggy and stuff. But for a dry weather condition or even a humid weather condition, it's really, really crazy.
Overall guys, for the price, the sweatshirt is really awesome. I really loved it. Didn't feel sweaty, didn't feel hot in it. It's really breathable. The quality, the material is really good for the price, and it is a must buy if you're a rider. Especially the ALPINESTAR logo looks really good on the sweatshirt. So guys, that's all for today. Let's meet in my next video. Until then, take care and ride safe.